All right, we're heading out. Heading out the door, heading out the snow. Here we go. Holy cow. It's like a blizzard out here. Blizzard, February 7th, 2013. Which way are we going, Johnny? Walking down towards the wall here. Look at the flag. You see the flag up there? Look at that. I bet we got gusts of 60. I'll try and keep it steady. I feel like I'm being literally blown by the, whoa! I'm actually being blown by the wind along the street. Jim Cantori ain't got nothing on me. Look at the sign for Poets Wharf. All covered in snow. The side of the buildings. I'm following you, Johnny. Check out the church steeple up there. It's crazy. Ah! Look at that. Hey, what's up? Oh. Wow. Look at the snow gusting along here. Going down by the boats. Here we go. Look at the sailboats just sitting there, teetering, tottering. I bet there's 6 inches on the ground already. Easy 6 inches on the ground. Well, let's take a look at this over here. So we got a propane tank right here. Now you see it. There it is right there. So that's about 4 inches, maybe 6 inches right there. And it's only been snowing since 8:30 this morning. Look at the water. Look at the tugboat over there. So we are right down in Newport, 22 Bowen's Wharf right there. That's where it all happens, folks. All right. We seen enough?
Yep.